Hey, we are in Hyannis, Massachusetts, and you see the freight yard there, the Cape Cod Central trains, and over here we have a very interesting character. It looks brand new. Obviously it's not new, but it hasn't been used yet this year. It hardly ever gets used on Cape Cod because of very little snowfall. But this weekend we're expecting up to 2 feet of snow on Cape Cod. And this baby may get some use, so you can see it here. It's got a B&M back attachment to it. And let's take a walk around and see. Cape Cod doesn't generally get a lot of snow. With this storm coming up, it's supposed to be pretty intense. That is at least 10, 12 feet high. And there it is there. So, what do you think? You going to see some action? Hey, please subscribe.